Food Fun Finance, we are here at Homecomin. Anthony, our waiter, brought out some test drinks to see if we can handle what we ordered.
What's the first one?
Strawberry lemonade, which is sweet smooth. And the blue one is the blue hooch.
Is it good?
That is very strong.
Yellow.
The yellow one is the margarita, which is tequila mixed with moonshine. So please be careful. The hooch is moonshine too. And yeah, that's moonshine because I feel it burning all the way down. So the margarita and the hooch is strong. So beware. If you're a little light person, go with the strawberry. It's very smooth. So Food Fun Finance, stay tuned. So Food Fun Finance, we are back with, what's that?
It's a Sprite.
It's a Sprite. I got Florida Crush and I got a Yingling. The Florida Crush has Tito's handmade vodka with orange strawberries, splash of fresh squeezed orange juice, and agave syrup. That means it's gonna be strong. All I taste is orange juice. What you taste? What's your Sprite taste like?
It tastes more fizzier.
It's fizzier? Do you like it? Food Fun Finance, I give this drink a 3.5. I think I like the white peach sangria, but this one is pretty good too. It is a strawberry lemonade with kick.
Look at the eyes, it's so tiny.
It tastes really good.
What do you give it?
I give it a 5.
Oh my gosh, I can see the strawberry pieces.
You see it?
I can see the strawberry too.
So this is good. I give this a 5 out of 5. So stay tuned because we got to dive into these appetizers. So Food Fun Finance, we are back with
the appetizer.
The appetizer. But I'm trying to find the name of it. Church Lady. Now you know that's strong right there. Church Lady Devil Eggs. So you know that she put in some work with that. And then bunch of hush puppies. Homemade hush puppies served with pimento cheese.
Oh, hush puppies.
Pimento cheese and red jalapeno jelly. So that make it even spicier. So if you're a spice lover, this might be for you. But we about to find out without the jelly because I'm not a spice lover. But the Church Lady Devil Eggs, all it says Southern style devil eggs. So we about to find out. If you really from the South, they got bacon sprinkled on top of it. Here, magic.
Oh, a tiny one.
I know, I'm trying to grab it for you.
Oh, it's so cute.
Aww. It's so cute.
Guys, look at it.
So I got little shavings of jalapenos in there, but it's very sweet, very crunchy. Bite everything. That's how you're supposed to eat a devil egg.
Yeah, boy.
I give the devil eggs 3.
It don't taste as good as Brittany's.
0.5.
I have to say that on camera.
Let me try one of the hush puppies.
So, what would you rate the devil eggs?
I give it a 4.5.
Okay, I would say that too.
I mean a 3.5.
It has an acquired taste to it, but like I said, it's not as good as Brittany's. The hush puppies, I would say a 4. It's not really that spicy, so I want to dip it in the sauce just to find out. Look at that, look at that. So if you're a spice lover, go ahead and pray for me right now. But I am being adventurous for you guys.
These hush puppies are so good.
It's really good. It tastes kind of like jam. It's sweet, but a little spicy.
Yeah.
I want to try it with the pimento cheese. This is for you guys.
He's trying it for you guys.
They're actually good though.
These hush puppies are good.
And I'm not even a spice lover, so it's not extreme heat to it, but it's like, I don't know, it just feels like a soothing heat. But Food Fun Finance, stay tuned because the food is on the way.
I give the hush puppies and the jam a 5.
I give it a 5 too, because it's really good.
Stay
And I'm not even a spice lover. It's like a real soothing spice, really.
Stay
So
tuned.
get these for sure. Stay tuned. Let's get started. Ooh.
Okay, what you got?
What is this? Oh, smothered covered chicken.
And then I got french fries, mac and cheese, and a bacon burger.
This is some real southern cooking. I could just eat those. I don't know why, but this reminds me of a Red Lobster biscuit.
And that broccoli kind of looks like broccoli and asparagus.
I give this a 5. I ain't even got into the thick of it, and it's good. This kind of tastes like a Red Lobster biscuit. Let me taste your macaroni.
Yeah. Is the macaroni good?
It's good, but it's not as good as your mom's sideways. Taste your burger. Let me taste your fries. No, you taste your burger. Oh, you already ate it. So what you rate your burger?
I rate my burger a 5 out of 5.
I'm gonna say.
And I rate the french fries a 5 out of 5 too. But for some reason, I rate the macaroni and cheese a 4 out of 5.
Because it's not like your mommy's. So food from finance, I just took a bite up of that small burger, but this is a double burger with fries.
It has 2 meats.
But we about to dive into another dish. So food from finance, this is
Macaroni, chicken with powdered sugar, donuts.
that's that crack on there.
When you hear that, that means it's crunchy.
So we're gonna split this donut in half. It tastes like Krispy Kreme's finest.
Yeah, it does.
That means the hot sign was on for that one. So is this a wing or a breast?
I rate the donuts a 5 out of 5 and the chicken a 5 out of 5.
I like the crust.
Perfect, but it's not as good as mine. I give that a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. This chicken is a little crispier than the
That's
one
a
we
5
had
out
earlier.
of 5.
But I would say a 4 out of 5. The donut tastes just like Krispy Kreme's. Maybe they got a deal going on, but most definitely the donut is a 5 out of 5.
Yeah.
Food from finance, stay tuned because we about to eat. You don't got to see all of this. You don't got to see none of this. So food from finance, we are at the favorite part of the review. What we reviewing, Magic? The environment,
Customer service, food, and pricing.
yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
Little triggers keep on triggers.
So environment, we are in Disney Springs, right?
Yeah, of course we're gonna like that.
Of course. So what's that?
A 5 out of 5. And if we could rate it a 10, we would.
We would.
Because it's Disney Springs, just like Disney.
So 5 out of 5 for the environment. Let's go into the customer service.
I think the customer service was very nice.
Anthony was amazing.
Yeah, the person who gave us our food was nice. And
His
he
name
brought-
was Anthony.
Anthony brought us whatever we wanted.
Whatever you wanted. So 5 out of 5?
Yeah.
5 out of 5.
And 2 5s to make it 10.
You got it. So food, how'd you like your food?
I give that a 5 out of 5. The food was really good, especially my hamburger and the french fries. How about you, Daddy?
I think I like the smothered chicken the most, and then the hush puppies. They were really good too.
Yeah, the hush puppies were good.
The donuts
Yeah,
were
the
good
donuts
too.
were
I think they
very
were Krispy Kremes. They just didn't say anything.
Yeah, they
So
were
what-
trying to make it a little secret.
A little secret. So what you give the food, Maggie?
I give it a 5 out of 5.
I give it a 4.5. So let's go with the pricings.
Moving on to the pricing. We got a bunch of stuff. You
Yeah,
can
we got
tell
a bunch of
how
stuff.
long it is. The total is $322.85.
For how many people?
8 people.
8 people. So $322.85 for 8 people. So what do you give the pricing, Magic?
I give it a 4 out of 5.
A 4 out of 5?
Yeah, that's like a good rating.
So we give it a 4 out of 5. So let's wrap this up. So overall, what you give this restaurant?
I give it a 5 out of 5.
Okay, I give it a 4.5 overall. The restaurant, the environment was crazy. Like everything wrapped together, kind of blended in with each other. It's a good spot. You should come check it out. Most definitely come check it out. What they need to do?
You need to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Ding, ding, ding. Down here. And make sure to always watch our video.
Yep. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and leave us a message. And let us know if you have been to Homecoming here at Disney Springs. That's where we at. See you later.
Ding, ding.
So Food Fun Finance, do me a huge favor to keep this channel going, to keep this channel growing. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know anything that's on your mind so we can keep this community growing. Let's go.